This is how you solve an equation with unknowns on both sides, where one of them is a fraction. This means divide by 3. So what I'm going to do first is the opposite of dividing by 3. I'm going to move the 3 from this side to the other by undoing that. I'm going to tell the examiner that I'm going to times by 3, it's the opposite of divide. So I'm going to times this side by 3 also. When I divide 3 and then times 3, I get 1. So it's one lot of that, which is 2x plus 4. I'm timesing this lot by 3. Well, I just want to times a bit of it by 3. I want to times all of it by 3. So I'm going to do 3 lots of the 10 and 3 lots of the minus 2x. 3 lots of 10 is 30, and 3 lots of minus 2x is minus 6x. What you've now done is you've reduced the equation to a linear equation with no fractions. So now you look for the lowest unknown. I'll write that over here. We talked about yesterday that makes the question easier. It's not compulsory, but it makes the question easier. The lowest unknown here is minus 6x. I would choose to add 6x to that side and to this side. Minus 6x plus 6x is nothing, leaving you with 30. 2x add 6x is 8x, and you still have the plus 4. Undoing this, undoing the plus 4, because if you think about the number that is x, which we don't know, first it gets times by 8, then it adds 4, and the answer is 30. We need to undo the process. Opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. That becomes nothing. The 8x comes underneath. And 30 take away 4 is 26. To get rid of the 8, which is in front of the x, currently multiplying, we divide by 8. We divide this side also by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so it leaves us with 1x, which I can just write as x. And 26 divided by 8, I initially write as 26 over 8. However, I told you before, when we dealt with mixed numbers, I don't want it written like that. I want to turn that into a mixed number. So how many whole 8s go into 26? Which is 3 whole times. And there are 2 8s left. I can still simplify that, because 2 8s is the same as, if I halve top and bottom, 1/4. So my answer is 3 1/4, or you could have written 3.25. That's level 6/level 7, solving linear equations, unknowns on both sides.